Many creators, coaches, and business owners want to build a community where their audience can learn, connect, and stay engaged. But sometimes it feels overwhelming to choose the right platform or know how to structure everything. One platform that many people talk about for building communities and course together is Skool. In this video, I will explain what the Skool platform is, how it works, and why many people are choosing it to grow their communities. That combines online courses, community discussions, and member engagement inside one space. Instead of using many separate tools like forums, course platforms, Facebook groups, and private chat system, Skool tries to bring them into one place. The idea is to make it easy for creators and learners to interact, share content, and build a supportive environment around shared the interest or skills. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you understand tools that help you to grow your audience and income. In this video, we are talking about the Skool platform and explaining what it is and whether it is worth or not. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link in the description to check out the Skool for yourself. By using the description link, any available free trial or special pricing that will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. And let's start with the basic. Skool is a platform that designed for community building and learning. So just imagine a place where your students, members, or audience, they can come together, talk to each other, and ask questions, and follow the lessons or modules and stay active in one space. Skool gives you that space with tools that help you to host lessons, create discussion topic, and encourage the interactions. It is like having a private Skool platform for your community, but with course and learning features built in. One of the most important part of Skool is the way it encourages engagement. Instead of just posting content and waiting for the people to watch, Skool makes it easy for members to comment, share, and experience, and also ask questions and help each other. Every time someone contributes to a conversation or answers a question, they earn some points or badges, which makes the community feel more active and rewarding. This gamification element motivates members to stay connected and participate more often. Skool also has a simple course creation system. You can upload lessons, videos, text, or files and organize them into modules. This makes it easy to create training programs or step-by-step learning paths and share them with your members inside the same platform where your community talks. Many creators like this because it eliminates the need for separate course platforms and discussion forums. Everything stays inside the one environment. Another useful part of Skool is that its member directory and communication tools. You can see who is active in your community, you can message the members directly, and even you can send the announcements. This helps you to keep everyone informed when you share a new content, event, or updates. It also makes it easy for members to connect with each other, which strengthens your community further. When it comes to design and user experience, Skool is built with simplicity in mind. The interface looks clean and easy to navigate even for beginners. Members don't have to learn many different buttons or menus. They can jump right into the discussions and they can find the lessons and they can see what's new. The simplicity helps to reduce the confusion for both creators and members. Now let's talk about where Skool fits in compared to other platforms. Many people use separate tools for community building, courses, and messaging. For example, you might use a Facebook group of community, a separate course platform for lessons, and email or chat tools for communication. Skool combines all of this into one place, which can save time, reduce the hassle of managing multiple tools. For many creators, this is a big advantage because everything stays in one dashboard and members don't need to switch between platforms. And of course, Skool is not perfect for every situation. If you need very advanced course feature like complex quizzes or deep scoring system, or if you run large global communities with high server demand, you might still need specialized tools. But for many creators and coaches who want a balanced mix of community, learning, and engagement in one place, Skool fits well. Another point that many users appreciate is that Skool helps people to stay focused. Unlike the open social platform where distractions are everywhere, Skool keeps the community centered around the learning goals and discussions. This can help members to stay more involved and follow the content you share. So to conclude, the Skool platform is a space where community and learning come together. It gives you tools to build the discussions, host lessons, or encourage the engagement, and communicate with your audience inside a single environment. Whether you are a coach, creator, or business owner, Skool makes it easier to grow your audience and share knowledge and build a connected group that learns and supports each other. So that's all basically. I hope now you understand better about the Skool and its community feature, and also what it is and how it works. So if you understand, then give this video a like, subscribe to Easy Access Tech for more simple tech guides and honest tool explanation. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.